Hello, this is Partha. I'm trying to modify an existing part on Thingiverse so that it'll fit my 3D printer. It's a fan guide mount, and I broke my existing one during my last print, and I tried to print the same version in ABS, but the ABS version, or the file itself, it doesn't fit. It's too big. It's just too big. So what I'm going to do is add some additional layers in between and make two small holes with a distance of 20 centimeters. I actually took a scale. I couldn't find something with the metric measurements. So you will see that is about 20, I would say 20. I think you will agree. About 20. I think it's 20, exactly 20. So all I have to do is open up the STL file in OpenSCAD. I'm walking to my kitchen right now and to the breakfast table. So all I did is open up OpenSCAD, load the existing file, the STL file, write a small code to add a cube and two cylinder holes, and that's it, and export it to STL. And I sliced it with slicer, and I'm going to export it to G code. Save it. It is done. Now I open up. Looks like it's almost hot enough. It's getting there. Let me turn off the fan real quick so that it'll heat up faster. I'll go to the jobs, upload the job. Fan mount. Upload. Now it's waiting. So it's getting hotter faster. Just waiting for it to reach 235. Okay. Well, let's extrude it. That's fine. 230. Just about right. Set the fan to 80%. Kind of cool a little. And start the job. Say yes. Now I run to the garage where I have the 3D printer. And watch it. And because I have to add, I just spray it with Aquanet. It's just a hairspray. That is what keeps the 3D print right on the print bed. Now it is ready. It is just heating up a little bit. It's actually at 215. It cooled down a little bit. So, wow. Going down. That is weird. Anyway, that is the process. Enjoy.